Welcome back to Send Crypto. In today's content, we're going to discuss about Ethereum, and then we're going to take a look at the correction of Ethereum, and I'm going to give you my price forecast for 2020, right? 2019 is already done, right? So let's take a look at Ethereum. We basically got a 5-wave structure, right? After a 5-wave structure, I'm expecting at least Ethereum to give us another flat correction, internal flat correction, not a flat correction, but I'm expecting a big zigzag and a internal flat correction. So what I mean about a internal flat correction, this wave we already understand, like this wave, it is a 5-wave structure. This has to be a 3-wave move. This has to be a 3-wave move, and then after that we're going to discuss like the next wave we're going to get to the downside, right? But the overall structure is flat, right? If we're going to get a flat correction, we already got 5-wave move, 1 2 3 4 5, and then now we're looking for our 3-wave move. We're looking for our 3-wave move, 1 2 and 3-wave move, right? So the 3-wave move, it is a flat correction. A flat correction, it is a 3 3 and 3. This correction right here, it is basically representing this entire structure. So if we're going to be making this 335, we already got our 5-wave structure. We already got 3-wave in this area with a 5-wave structure of our C wave, 1 2 3 4 5. So, and we're looking for another ABC to the downside, 1 2 3. If we're going to be looking for another ABC correction to the downside, we're going to have to get another 5-wave structure for our C wave to the downside. So this means it means Ethereum got more room to drop, at least for the short term, to complete like the C wave of our B wave, right? The C wave, this is a C wave, right, of our B wave. This is A, right? This is B, and then we're going to look for the C wave of a bigger B wave, right? So which is basically the C wave of our internal B wave. So that's at least for the short term. I'm looking for Ethereum to complete this 5-wave structure to the downside. As soon as we basically retest like anywhere around this bottom, we could be potentially looking for Ethereum to start being very bullish, and most likely traders / investors gonna be looking for this move, at least for the short term. All the Elliott wave analysts, they're gonna be looking for this a possible reversal pattern right around this $80 to $100 range, right? So Ethereum could be very bullish in 2020, and could possibly be bearish in 2021, but we're going to discuss it later on, right? But my forecast, my Ethereum price forecast for 2020 is like at least to retest like the low of $80 to $100 range, and then look for Ethereum to be very, very, very bullish after that, right? But you just have to be also very cautious if you don't understand like Elliott wave, because just because we're expecting a possible retest of the A wave, it doesn't mean we're gonna get a strong support. We can break it. We can break this A wave, right? And basically break it again to the top, right? So which means like it could make a possible expanded flat. So I'm just going to be very cautious in this area and look for a possible reversal. Just because we're going to retest it doesn't mean like we're going to be reversing. So we can basically break it. Okay, nothing is saying we cannot break it, at least for the short term. So that's all I wanted to cover today for Ethereum, for my price forecast for Ethereum in 2020. And then we're going to take a look at Ethereum on our daily analysis and live streams, right? So if you haven't joined our public Telegram group, make sure to click the link under the description. And then if you want to upgrade to our premium member, make sure to basically send us a private message, and then we're going to give you the details about how to join the premium member for daily update, price targets, price setups, and Elliott wave analysis. All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching.